Same job, same pay under attack by the boss of BHP. The mining stock that hit pay dirt. And Ryan Reynolds buys a Formula One team. Trading Up, a collaboration by The West Australian and Grapher. BHP's boss, Mike Henry, has let rip today over the federal government's proposed same job, same pay legislation at an event in Brisbane. Under the proposed changes, employers would need to pay labour hire workers at least the same pay as direct employees doing the same job. Mr Henry said the laws would take Australia in the wrong direction and will make the country less competitive. BHP said it could cost the miner more than $1 billion a year extra and will threaten jobs. To the markets, and the ASX has snapped its 4-day losing streak. The big iron ore miners, including BHP, were higher on the back of the surging iron ore price. The big four banks were also higher, with Westpac, NAB, CBA and ANZ all in the green today.
Damn, hi, Did someone say KFC?
Collins Foods, the owner of KFC and Taco Bell in Australia, announced revenue rose above $1 billion for the first time. Shares of the fast food company surged more than 15% following the announcement. But it wasn't all finger-licking good news. Collins Foods says inflation is eating into its profit margins. Sure, people are still buying KFC, but it's costing more to get the chicken through the drive-thru. And the big question is, what will the latest inflation number be tomorrow? The ABS reveals the inflation rate, where we get to see if the RBA rate hikes have managed to hose down spending. A spotlight on milk prices, with Bega warning the price of milk is likely to rise over the next 12 months because of falling supplies. Bega has also sold its historic Vegemite factory in Port Melbourne to help pay down debt. Vegemite has been made in the factory since 1923. Still to come, a train wreck ahead over copper shortages and the rocket stock that hit pay dirt. Stay tuned. A billionaire Canadian miner has sounded an alarm that there's going to be a copper shortage and that copper prices could go up 10 times higher than current levels. Robert Friedland says the copper crunch is inevitable as copper use is ramped up for decarbonisation. From movie star to sporting team mogul, Ryan Reynolds has gone from football to Formula One with a $325 million investment into the Alpine F1 team.
Alpine opens a new chapter in its history.
Motorsport fans are hoping he can inject a little Hollywood magic into the team, which hasn't won a championship since 2006. His first foray into sports saw the little-known Wrexham Football Club move up the rankings as well as be stars in their own TV show, Welcome to Wrexham. And finally, a graphite find sent shares of Lincoln Minerals surging 20% today. Graphite is in the middle of a resurgence because, apart from being used in pencils, it's a critical ingredient in lithium-ion batteries. You can find more business news content on thewest.com.au, or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapher.com or download our app from the App Store. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. I'm Sarah Hughan. See you next time.